Hi there, in this class I will teach you how to buy hosting and domain from hstinger.com and how to install WordPress. If you use my special link, you will get a 20% discount plus a free domain and free hosting for 3 months. First of all, go to the video description and click the hosting link. As soon as you click it, a new page will open in front of you. Now scroll down a little. Here you will see 3 main hosting plans. Don't worry, these plan names may look slightly different depending on your country, but the discount works on all plans. No matter which plan you choose, you will get 20% off automatically. Once you select any plan, go to the order summary section. Here below the price, you will clearly see the 20% discount applied. You do not need to enter any coupon code. Discount comes automatically when you buy from my link. Now here is the best part. You get 3 months of hosting absolutely free, and you also get a free domain name. That means you are saving money on hosting and domain together. Let me give you my honest recommendation as an expert. If your budget allows, go for minimum 2 years. If you want maximum saving, choose 4 years because longer plans gives you lower monthly cost. Click continue, enter your Gmail and create a strong password and click on register. Next, fill your billing details. After that, click continue and choose your preferred payment method. If you are using a card, enter your name, 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV number. Click submit payment. Enter the OTP sent to your phone number and you will be logged into your Hstinger account. If not, you can manually log in. Now we will claim your free domain and install WordPress. Go to the website section and click add website. Here you need to select WordPress option. After that, you have to add some basic details. Here you will see 2 options, create a website and migrate a website. You need to select create a website and then click next. Now here you will see 2 options, WordPress and Hstinger website builder. Select WordPress and click on next. Select your preferred language, enter your Gmail address and create a strong password for your WordPress admin panel. Click next and select create a blank site. Don't choose AI or pre-built websites. Now it's time to claim your free domain. Type your desired domain name here. If it is available, you will see a green free domain label. Click to select it and then click install WordPress. Within seconds, WordPress will be installed on your domain and you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard.